Light Kamikai Government LP School, Kabahapoka, Shillong Subdivision of East Khasil District of Meghalaya. Total number of posts is 74. New Southerly total vacancy. Khadwaitali Namtagi UR, Khasi Janta Angaro 60, inclusive of 2 posts of PWD, Artali post Namtaki PWD, Kibray locomotor. Namtaki order STSC kadai light ligi post te baro kanek bahapa ka Shillong subdivision ki total number of posts ki then new post south ligi post tikitu ki badon qualification ki bakwa apply sa apply ka last date of submission kadai live hui 3 August arjar apply phya banai submit hapok office of SDSU Shillong subdivision qualification kalong baik kumnei LP school teacher ki class 12 pass with 50% for general and 45% for STSC. But number kidon kamro with DLED or graduate with BEd. MTS pass certificate compulsory, DLED pass certificate compulsory. Kita bro ke jindon kam. Tikitu ki bakwa apply select submit ya ki application form ki jong phi ha leni shwa ka live 3 August arjar apply. Tang ini ki jemptip khule jaban.